Hey everybody, we're going to head out. Just got off work. Going to go out and do an overnight camp. Camping up on, going to go up on around the area of Elliotts Knob, West Augusta. So we're going to see. Just going to camp overnight. Made my first video. I'm just going to make it something simple. Just try to get started and get going. So I figured now that we got everything set up and stuff, so got everything, hammock, tent, or rain cover, sleeping bag, all that good stuff set up. Sit down and have a little sandwich. So I actually had something funny happen one time. I was out camping and it was almost dark, so I decided I had to set up like right in the middle. It wasn't a well-traveled path, but so I just set up in the middle of the trail. Well, about 6 o'clock in the morning, I get woken up to the sound of something running, and apparently a black bear decided to take that trail that morning. And I don't know whether I was more startled or I think I scared him extremely bad. I don't know who was more startled. I hollered and he took off the side of the trail and looked like I scared him to death. I imagine it must have been a shock to not know what in the world was in the middle of his trail that morning. Alright, so I figured I'd give a quick morning update. So I made a few mistakes last night. One of them was actually taking and hooking up on 2 pine trees that happen to be a little bit smaller. So that's a reminder. Didn't work out the greatest. Considering every time I laid down, the pine trees would flex in, and they would give just a little bit, and have too much sag in my hammock. So I was able to manage. Didn't sleep too bad last night, but that, and then I definitely need to rethink my sleeping bag for this weather. First part of the night, about sweated my tail off, so I have to see about maybe finding a different sleeping bag or something. Everybody, that's all I got for today. If you like this video, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do my best to do some more like it.